For my next video, I'd like to do one on intelligent optimization for the camera or video. So this is an option I believe only on oneui 7 Plus. I'm running the S25 Ultra and oneui 8 Beta 2. They haven't changed this in the betas at all, but I think it came out in the early part of oneui 7. So let's get right into this. It's how to optimize your pictures over speed or over quality. So to me, the processor is so fast in this that you're automatically going to get the best optimization. It doesn't really need to be on minimum because the speed is so fast. So let's just dive right in and get going here. So let's go to our camera, photo, and then we'll go into settings, of course. And we're going to scroll down to intelligent optimization right here. Okay, so it says quality optimization. Maximum, get the best possible image quality with full optimization. Medium, speed up capture time by reducing optimization. Or the minimum, take pictures instantly with no post-picture optimization. The setting only affects photo mode. Okay, I said photo and video. I thought to myself when I said that in the beginning, but it's just photo mode. So you also have Scene Optimizer, automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. So of course you want that on, unless you're really deep into photos and you want the most natural looking photos, so then you can go back later and touch them up, which I don't really care, to be honest. I want the best pictures fast as possible. So I'm going to leave mine to maximum. Again, it gets the best picture possible. It gets the best possible image quality with full optimization. Again, the camera's so fast you can sit here and bang, 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 take pictures all night long, and there's really no stall until you go into the gallery, tap on one of those pictures, and then you'll notice every once in a while it might pause for a quarter of a second, a tenth of a second, and then it'll show you the done photo. So there's really never ever any pauses in pre-photos. It's always in post-photos, if there's any even in that. So that's my video on intelligent optimization. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.